Alright, so here's the view inside of a Mercedes E320. I just finished removing all the interior panels, and it's pretty clean back here. One interesting thing that I first noticed was that here's a spring for the trunk latch. See, pulls it forwards and backwards, and they have all these adjustment holes for the springs that you can set the tension to. And it looks like we have this is kind of like a hard stop. I mean, not a hard stop, but maybe like a soft stop, so that the spring doesn't hit this bracket. Pretty interesting design, but I guess that's one of the things that makes Mercedes quiet. Just the little things that they think of. Some sound deadening in here. Look at the wire harness running through that little port there in the rear trunk wall. All the harness is nicely bundled together and terminates at this fuse block here. What else do we have here? We've got the spare tire here, and when you're removing all the fasteners that hold the trunk materials in, looks like we have nice little dividers here. Not sure if that was intentional, but helps you separate all the hardware that you have. We got the battery right here, main battery, house battery, spare tire, and here's the other side of the spring for the trunk. Looks like the foam ripped off here. Looks like it used to be attached here. Just kind of based off the opposite side. What we're doing today is we're doing the rear shocks. So I needed access to those nuts right there to pop the old shocks off and put the new ones in. And it looks like, because I think the other models, like the E350, have an air ride suspension. These look like unused connectors that were meant for possibly the air ride. They're completely unused on this model because this just uses traditional suspension. And yeah, looks like they do all the routing similar time, so they probably just snip these cable ties off and route these three connectors over to the air ride shocks in the back. What else do we have here? I'm not 100% sure what this cage is for. It may be a venting of some type of venting path for the trunk. I'm not 100% sure. But if anybody knows what this is for, there's one on both sides. Go ahead and let me know in the comments. That'll be super helpful for me to have that knowledge. Yeah, the wiring harness, the harness loom looks pretty nice. Everything is wrapped up tight, bundled together. Very clean design. There's another fuse block down here. Looks like those power cables route all the way to this main harness here. This harness bundle that goes through the chassis. And I'm not sure what these units are, but there's a lot of electronics boxes under there. I'll probably look online and see what that's all about, but if anybody knows, let me know in the comments. Yeah, I just wanted to give you a little inside view of what the trunk of a Mercedes E320 from the early 2000s looks like. That's all. Thanks for watching.